Do you want to ensure peak performance and fuel efficiency for your car? Well, it's easy with Lucas Oil products. We're going to show you just how easy it is to clean and lubricate your car's fuel system using Lucas Deep Clean and Lucas Fuel Treatment. First, open your car's fuel cap to access the fuel tank. Now add 1 full bottle of Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner to your tank. And this powerful cleaner removes harmful deposits, restoring lost power and fuel economy. Add this product to 1 or 2 tanks of gas, depending on how dirty your fuel system is. Once you've run 1 or 2 tanks of gas with Lucas Deep Clean, you're going to want to use the Lucas Fuel Treatment to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Secure the fuel cap tightly and drive your vehicle as usual. You'll notice improved performance and fuel efficiency over time. And there you have it. You've cleaned and lubricated your vehicle's fuel system with nothing other than a couple of bottles of Lucas Oil products, ensuring smoother running and better mileage.